Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 to 2020. Removing the speaker itself, it's very easy. Just disconnect the connector and unscrew 4 Torx head bolts. However, you must first remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt behind the door handle and a second one in the armrest. Using a plastic trim tool, pry the panel from the bottom to release the 7 clips. Then, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and the single electrical connector.